Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In this video we're going to be covering how to insert this username variable into our tutorial database that we have created in my SQLite series. If you have not checked that out, go check that out right now, because I'm going to be assuming in this video that you already knew the stuff I taught in that video, so you need that video for understanding what's going on here. So now what I'm going to do is first of all I'm going to take these two statements and I'm going to paste them in here so we can use them inside our function, and then just do this. I know I messed everything up. Okay, and now what we can do is we can to insert this into here, we have to do c.execute. So these commands I taught in my other video, so I already told you that you need to check that out before this video. So insert into our table name, which is tutorial, which we created in that video, and then we can do the columns that tutorial has, which is name, and then we can do values, and then question mark. This just says we're inserting a variable instead of hard coding it. And then we can pass in inside a list, we can pass in username. And then what we need to do is we need to do con.commit. This just says that we're sure we're inserting it, and this is not by accident. So, and now if you run it, it should run like it ran in the last video. Let's run it real quick. We're starting with and we got it. Okay, my first website, we can type in a name and then submit it. Okay, it works like last time, but the change is that it's inserting it now into a database. So now to check if it's in the database, we can just unhash this, and now if we run this before printing all this, it should print the things in the database. Yep, we got Bob and we got Cooldood. Bob was from the last tutorial series. I'll take this out, and Cooldood was just what we inserted right now. So that's it for this video. In the next video, we're going to be seeing how we can fetch this data in from our website, and we can display it to the user so they can insert value to the database, and then they can also find them back. So that was it for this video. If don't forget to subscribe so we can beat the YouTube algorithm together, and peace.